Top 5 Bicycle Chain 2026. Discover the best products for your lifestyle. We've curated the top selections just for you. Number 5. ZONKIE 6/7/8 Speed Bike Chain. Upgrade your ride with the ZONKIE 6/7/8 Speed Bike Chain. Engineered for smooth, reliable performance. Designed to outperform similar chains, it delivers superior durability and precise shifting across multiple speeds. Whether you're commuting or cycling for fitness, this chain ensures quiet operation and long-lasting strength. Easy to install and compatible with most 6/7/8 speed drivetrains, it's a top choice for cyclists seeking value without compromise. Compare with other chains and see the difference in quality and affordability. Use your keyboards up or down arrows to navigate product details. Found in the Tools and Home Improvement department, the ZONKIE chain is your go-to for dependable cycling performance. Ride smoother. Shift smarter. Choose ZONKIE. Number 4. Shimano HG40 116 Link Chain 6/7/8 Speed. The Shimano HG40 116 Link Chain is built for reliable performance across 6, 7, and 8 speed drivetrains. Designed with precision engineering, it delivers smooth shifting and exceptional durability, outperforming generic chains in wear resistance and power transfer. Its hyperglide design ensures seamless gear changes, mile after mile. Compared to similar items, the HG40 stands out with Shimano's trusted quality and consistent performance. Whether you're upgrading or replacing, this chain is a smart choice for cyclists seeking value and reliability. Select the department you want to search in: beauty and personal care, industrial and scientific, tools and home improvement, and find the HG40 where sporting goods meet superior engineering. Use your keyboards up or down arrows to move between items and experience the Shimano difference today. Number 3. Brand Model Single Speed Bike Chain. Engineered for durability and smooth performance, the Brand Model Single Speed Bike Chain stands out in the Tools and Home Improvement category. Compared to similar items, it offers superior tensile strength, rust resistance, and seamless power transfer, ideal for urban commuting and casual riding. Designed for single-speed and fixed-gear bikes, it ensures quiet, efficient operation with minimal maintenance. Use your keyboards up or down arrows to navigate between product options and explore features effortlessly. Whether you're upgrading or replacing, this chain delivers reliable performance at a competitive value. Select the department to search in and discover why cyclists trust Brand Model for quality and consistency in every ride. Number 2. Schwinn 112 Link Steel Chain fits all bikes. Upgrade your ride with the Schwinn 112 Link Steel Chain. Fits all bikes, engineered for durability and smooth performance. Compared to similar items, this high-strength steel chain offers superior wear resistance and reliable power transfer across a wide range of bike types. Whether you're replacing a worn chain or performing routine maintenance, its universal fit ensures compatibility with most single-speed and multi-speed bicycles. Easy to install and built to last, the Schwinn chain delivers consistent performance in all conditions. Use your keyboards up or down arrows to move between items and find the perfect fit. Select the Tools and Home Improvement department to explore more cycling essentials. Trust Schwinn for quality you can ride on. Number 1. Brand Model 6/7/8 Speed Bike Chain Repair Kit. The Brand Model 6/7/8 Speed Bike Chain Repair Kit outperforms similar items with durable, precision-engineered components designed for quick, reliable fixes. Unlike generic kits, it includes a master link plier, chain checker, and multiple replacement links compatible with 6, 7, and 8 speed chains, ensuring a perfect fit. Easy to use and compact, it's ideal for on-the-go repairs. To move between items, use your keyboards up or down arrows. Select the department you want to search in: Tools and Home Improvement. P.Win, Glow Toaster Strings. .execute, function, S.load. Glow Toaster address change error: an error has occurred and the address has not been updated. Please try again. Glow toaster unknown error, an error has occurred. Please try again. P.Win, glow toaster manager, .execute, function, m.create, store name, industrial, page type, detail, ACE transition state, null, ranker location source, IP_geolocation. Thanks for watching. Check the links in description to find these products on Amazon.